Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional online portfolio for free using Google Sites in just a few easy steps. Whether you are a student, freelancer, or job seeker, this is a perfect way to showcase your work online without any coding. Let's jump in. First of all, go to sites.google.com. Click the uh, blank plus button or choose a template from here like portfolio. Let's start from scratch. Click blank site. Name your site like Hley portfolio. Then resize it. Title your homepage like welcome or about me. And add a banner image if you like. Please click image, then upload. Then select a picture from your computer like that. Try type a short intro about yourself here. Click text box like, hey, I am a video editor. Make it clean, change alignment like that, color or font, size, then color, adjust it. Let's add more pages to organize your work. Click on Pages tab from the right side. Then click the plus icon, then select New Page. Give it a name or add page like Contact. Then done. Then again click New Page, write Projects. Then resume. etc. You can reorder pages with drag and drop. Each page will appear in your site navigation. Now let's add your actual work. On the project page, click Insert tab, use text box for titles and a description. add images or embed video, insert Google Drive files like PDFs, slides, etc. Use a two-column layout, image on one side, next on the other. Add a button like view full projects, link to your Google Docs or GitHub. Let's make your portfolio visually appealing. Choose a theme under the themes tab like Diplomat. Just customize font and color scheme. Like that. Use section backgrounds to highlight key content. Once your site looks good, it's time to publish it. You can add your YouTube video link, click embed, then you can add your video URL or channel URL, then go to your channel, copy the link and paste here, then insert it. Now adjust the logo like that. My YouTube project. Choose the font style like impact, then color, more darker, like that. You can add emojis from here, then click the preview button. It looks like that. When you click on it, it redirected to your YouTube channel. So that's it. On mobile, tablet and PC. Then click hit publish when it looks good. Choose your web address, your name.google.com. Hit publish again from here, and that's it. Your online portfolio is live and ready to share. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below with the type of portfolio you are building. I would love to check it out. See you in the next one.